guys, by the way, good afternoon sa inyo. We're going to Sirao Peak, and as all of you know, galing na ako doon. But this is a revenge climb, so I don't have any pictures. Yung unang climb ko, or hike, whatever you want to call it. And as usual, here's my Uber driver. No, my high school buddy. And we're gonna chase the sunset, and hopefully, yeah. I think 3 kilometers, 5.
It's near the front of the street.
Yeah. Alright, let's go to Sirao Peak, guys. Let's go to Sirao. Hey guys, it's me, Dan. I'm with my high school buddy, Mans. And then this is my second time sa peak. Like what I said kanina. Yeah, it's less than 15 minutes. Just really quick hike. Like what I said, yung first hike ko medyo hindi ko na-document kasi medyo madilim, umuulan. And I'm happy dahil sa first kong punta dito, ang daming basura. But ngayon,
Now it's clean.
Yeah, it's clean. Lahat ng peak na puntahan nyo, or trail, or mountains, whatever, or everywhere, anywhere, keep it clean. Alright, nice experience. And today is my last day sa Cebu. I'm flying back. I'm heading back to Manila tomorrow. My flight is mamayang madaling araw, so it's a better way to end my day and my trip to Cebu. And of course, thanks to, as always, thanks to her. Every time I go to Cebu, she's always there. Never failed. And next year, I'm going to like plan it ahead, way ahead. Kasi mahirap yung mga biglaang lakad.
And more mountains to climb, of course.
Yeah, more mountains to climb. Yung Mount Babag, Manunggal, Moyog, Minaga, right.
And
What else?
Strawberry Farm.
Strawberry Farm.
Near Opik ba?
Yeah. Oh, di Casino Peak. Chasing potato. Shout out to you, vlogger. Vlogger from Cebu. Glay. Yeah.
How was that?
And believe it or not, galing kami doon sa kabila. Makikita mo. Thailand. Yeah. Doon kami nakastay sa Lapu-Lapu. So we need to cross the bridge. And you cannot see the bridge from here. Maybe it's far away. I know. Yeah. If I'm gonna zoom in. Yeah.
There's a line.
There's a line.
It's
That's the bridge over there. Sorry for my finger. It's dirty. 5 minutes nakalipas simula nang bumaba kami. And that's man's behind me. Sigo, ano kaya yung ginawa ko dito sa taong to na nasama ko dito? Pinapahirapan ko eh. Pinapahirapan ba kita, Mans?
I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, at least may experience ka na.
What to do.
Yeah, true. Shoot. We're here. Alright, so tapos na kami dun sa medyo hard part ng konti. Flat ground. There. Yay! 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 It's okay. Stick branch.